Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to refresh and do a hard refresh on the Google Chrome web browser. Let's jump straight into it guys. You just need to press in keyboard F5 or this reload button. This will just look at your browser cache, sending a request to the server for new content. It is a command in browser just to do a reload the current web page, or you just need to press in keyboard Ctrl plus F5. This is hard refresh. This is faster than pressing F5 guys. Just press Ctrl plus F5. That's fast quick reload, and that's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.